So right when you walk in, there is a closet here. Robes, some hangers, putting our shoes there right now. Bathroom. Very nice sized bath. I could fit comfortably in there and I'm 6'2", so. Nice countertop. Lots of room in here. Ooh, all right, that didn't close all the way. All right, complimentary waters. Some Starbucks coffee with a Keurig. Let's see if we, refrigerator. Some shelving space. We got 2 queens with the Disneyland view. Some drawer space. Ethan. Nice little office space right here. Lots of plugins. And the best part is the view. Oh, let me just. Garden of the Galaxy. And right below us is the garden. There's the garden walk right there. Starbucks, they got a couple of restaurants. Yeah, brand new. So we're very conveniently located. There's the garden right there. We're gonna go check it out here in a little bit. Stay tuned.
Today I'm gonna do bedtime. It's really cold and comfy, and let me take the pillows. This was really comfy, cold.
There. Oh, here we go. That's my too much up.
Hey, Daddy.
Very comfortable. All right, so now we're just walking on the garden walk area. Very spacious. Our room was up there. And look at all these. It's like some, succulent plants that they're growing.
Not the bottom floor. What is the bottom floor?
This is cool. There's more on the other side over there as well. We lined up with some nice to the entrance. This is nice. Beautiful.
We're at the JW Marriott. Here's our hotel. And we're gonna walk to the Toy Story parking lot and catch the shuttle.
Start our time, see how long it takes.
All right.
All right, me and the boys went to Beignet Express. I got the classic. Here we go.
I got the
Fruity Pebbles.
Fruity Pebbles. It's delicious. I highly recommend it.
Hot but delicious, but also, yeah, makes a lot of mess. Highly recommend it. All right, now I'm trying it with a little bit of chocolate dip here. Good. All right, now I'm trying the Fruity Pebble beignet. Tastes just like Fruity Pebbles. So good.
Back from a long day at DCA. We're really tired, and this is just so special to come back to. These towels in the shape of a heart. The room smells clean. It's just so relaxing after a long day, and our feet are so tired. And also they gave us some extra waters, which we are in need of because we are very parched right now. So yeah, just very special. It's our last day.
Yep.
We're about to go to the airport we're gonna leave here at 10, but we're gonna get some breakfast first. We are at the Tocofiero, the Italian restaurant here at the JW Marriott, and we're eating breakfast. Oh wow, donut. Got some jams. Oh look, Greek yogurt, cereal. Looks like they have some hot items too. So we got eggs. Oh, we got mixed eggs, egg whites, bacon, turkey sausage, potatoes, pancakes.
嗯。
and oatmeal.
嗯。
Looks like they have some hot items too. So we got eggs. Oh, we got mixed eggs, egg whites, bacon, turkey sausage, potatoes, pancakes. And oatmeal. 嗯。 Looks like they have some hot items too. So we got eggs. Oh, we got mixed eggs, egg whites, bacon, turkey sausage, potatoes, pancakes. And oatmeal. toppings for oatmeal. Looks so good. So I got a waffle. They made it for me. And then I got some
They're not loud, but
sides to go with it. What'd you get, Liam?
I got 2 glazed donuts with some cereal.
In the shape of a...
Mickey.
Mickey.
What'd you get, Ethan?
Cantaloupe.
What? I got cantaloupe and watermelon and the chocolate donut.
Whoa. And cereal. Are you gonna eat it all?
Yeah.
Alright, what'd you get, sweetie?
I got their eggs with chive. I think that's what they call it. Chive in it. I got their potatoes, seasoned potatoes. Got watermelon, cantaloupe, and bacon.
Yummy.
It's really good.
And I got some coffee. Yum. Let's dig in. So we're gonna say goodbye to our lovely view here, our lovely room, and we're gonna head back home today. But before we go, I just wanted to kind of give you a better view of what's over here. So we got, there's Hyatt House over there. We've stayed there before. There's a Hilton, a Sheraton, another Marriott over there, Hotel Lulu. And then we can see the Toy Story parking lot over here. You can see it down there. And then over here is the parks, which you showed before. This is the California Adventure Park. That's the back side of, can you see? Oh, there. That's the back side of Cars Land. And then you have the Incredicoaster right there. And the Pal Around, what is it called? Pixar Pal Around.
I call it
And we, what do you call it?
the Wheel of Death.
I thought
The Death Wheel. And then the Pixar Pier Hotel, which is right there. Used to be the Paradise Pier Hotel. Pixar Pal. Wait, what is it?
the doo-doo.
Pixar Place. Yes. And then the Disneyland Hotel, you can see, and the new DVC Tower. And there's Guardians. Oh. And then we have the garden walk right here, which we've shown. It's very nice, actually. We enjoyed staying here. Just a great view. So thanks for coming along with us, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it.
Guys, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and comment down below. And
See you in the next enchantment.
bye.